Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Toyota RAV4 windshield wipers. This easy guide will help you maintain clear visibility on the road. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Make sure your RAV4 is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Knowing the correct blade size, typically 26 inches for the driver's side and 16 inches for the passenger's side, is crucial for a perfect fit. Now let's remove those old, worn-out wiper blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the hook. Once removed, gently lower the bare wiper arm back onto the soft towel you placed earlier, preventing any accidental windshield scratches. Installing the new wiper blades is just as straightforward. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Repeat these simple steps for the other wiper arm, ensuring both new blades are properly installed. With both new blades installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto your windshield. Now, it's time for the crucial test. Turn on your RAV4, spray some windshield washer fluid, and activate your new wipers. Watch them closely to ensure they operate smoothly and provide a clear, streak-free view. Remember, replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice streaking, is key for optimal visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.